G'day everybody, George Fokas. Hello, we're in Darwin. I'm actually here with Drew, the property guy. We're doing events all around Australia, as you probably know with all my posts. And Drew is the property guy here that talks about property, and I'm speaking about stock market. We're traveling around all around Australia. You can sort of see our room right here, and at the moment it is empty because everyone's at lunch, and we're sitting here, and Drew is actually one of my students. So I wanted to take you through the process so you can see we're about to place a trade in his account. He's going to follow the education of what we teach, so you can see how long it takes for us to get into the market and earn some income, because life is all about having your money work for you as opposed to you working for money. Passive income exceeding active income. So let's go through it. By all means, you can all have a look at the time and see what time it is right now.
George, I've only got 10 minutes. Have we got time?
We'll make it
trade.
We'll make it work, mate. We'll make it work. So fantastic. Let's do this. So Drew's logged into his account. So calculate how long it takes to log into your account. Open up the platform, and then basically we're going to our trade page. We put in the stock code, which he already has done, and I'm just going to quickly do this so you can see we're in the trade page. I'm not going to show you his account or his trade page, but anyway, let's go through it. Step number one, we've put the stock code. Yep. Step number two, strategy builder. Done. So excuse me while I'm not looking at you, I'm just guiding him. Step number three, we click add stock, because when you add the stock to the, you've done that, excellent. Yep. Step number four, we're going to create the contract. So in this instance here, we're going to a contract that's expiring next Friday. So we're creating a contract that expires next Friday. So this trade will be for 8 days. So we're just following the education. That's all we're doing.
Right.
So step number one, step number two, step number three, step number four. Now we're going to come down to a contract of $28.50. Scroll down. And we're clicking on $28.50 on the left-hand side. Step number five, we've clicked on the contract to create the contract. Now, we're going to enter how many contracts, how many stocks we want to buy, and you've put your order in. Excellent. In addition to that, we're going to put in a price that we want the order to go through. So what's the price? Yep, that's 71 minus 28.71 minus, let's say 80. So do you want to work that out quickly? So 28.71 minus 0.8.
28.71 you said?
Yep, minus 0.8.
Oh, okay, great. 27.81.
So here we are. Yep.
Okay, perfect. Everyone else has worked it out quicker than I have.
No.
So that didn't work.
No, it didn't, mate. So you don't need to be smart at maths, folks, to do this. You need a calculator. Even though the property guy's using a calculator, he still can't work it out. 27.81 minus, so 27.91, which is what we've got there. So we're putting in an order to buy the stock and create a contract, and we're actually specifying what price we want and how much we want to make. So our order page comes up. So step number 7, we've selected the contract. Step number 8, now we view the actual order to make sure we've done it correctly. Okay. So we're making sure that on your account just here that you've got a buy order. No, we're not showing. We don't want to show. Okay, that's okay. Yep. We've got a buy order. You're buying this particular stock, and then you're selling this particular stock, right? Yep. You've specified the price that you want to do it for. Are you satisfied with that? Are you happy to go ahead with that?
I am satisfied.
Okay.
Yeah, when this goes through, I'll be able to buy another waterfront property. So
okay, that's good. That's good. That's fantastic. Okay, so now you can, if you're happy with it, you know which button to click, the place order button. And we've just placed the trade. So how long did that take us? Now, you guys can work that out. He's just put an order in the market. But let me ask this, Drew, 2 days ago you placed a trade?
I did.
Following my education?
I did.
And how long was that contract for, do you remember?
That contract was for 10 days. 10
days. Yeah. So 10 days, how long did it take us to put the order in?
We'll say 10 minutes.
10 minutes? We clicked the 10 buttons, let's say, yeah, that's okay. And then what was your return on investment that you earned up front on your stock market position?
3.5%.
Who would be okay with 3.5% for 10 days up front in your account? And all he needs to do now is close his computer. He can get back on stage and talk about property and teach people how to make money in property while he's making money on the stock market and using that to go into property. So folks, I'm George Fokas. We've got Drew over here, the property guy, and he talks about property and I talk stock market. We look forward to seeing you all around Australia. Take care. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye.